Hello friends, welcome to Sympathy Institute of Homeopathic Pharmacy channel. I am here to discuss about the ointment, how many kinds of ointment, how to prepare ointment, and try to understand about all kinds of ointment which are using in pharmaceutics. Let's start our discussion about ointment. What is ointment? Ointments are semi-solid preparation for external application to the skin or mucous membrane, and the cream is also similar to the ointment, and cream are also semi-solid preparation for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. And later on I will discuss about the difference between the ointment and cream also. Basically there are two kinds of ointment, unmedicated ointments and medicated ointments. Unmedicated ointments do not having any kinds of drug or medicaments, and medicated ointments having the drug or medicaments. So as for example, unmedicated ointments like petroleum jelly you are using as a ointment, so it is called unmedicated ointments. And when you are using the petroleum jelly with medicines, so that kind of ointment is called medicated ointments. So let's discuss on medicated ointments only. Medicated ointment classified as on the base of the therapeutic properties. According to the therapeutic properties, there are three kinds of medicated ointments: epidermis ointment, endodermic ointment, and diadermic ointment. Epidermic ointment is act superficially, and the endodermic ointment acts the deeper layer on cutaneous tissues, and the diadermic ointment is act on the deep penetration and release the medicaments that passes through the skin and produce systemic effect. According to the therapeutic uses, medicated ointments are classified as dermatologic ointment, ophthalmic ointment, rectal ointment, vaginal ointment, and nasal ointment. Dermatologic ointments are applied on the external skin, ophthalmic ointment applied inside the lower eyelid, and the rectal ointment is applied on the perineal area or within the anal canal, and vaginal ointment are applied to the vaginal vulva or inside the vagina, and nasal ointment are applied to the nasal mucosa. When we discuss about the formulation and preparation of ointment, we should discuss about the bases which are using to prepare the ointment and creams. The first one base is the oleaginous base, and these are the fats, fixed oil, and hydrocarbon and silicon. And for the example, petroleum, white petroleum, yellow petroleum are the example of oleaginous base, and frequently we are using to prepare the ointment. And the second one is the absorption base, and these are the permitted to incorporate aqueous solution, and for the example, hydrophilic petroleum and lanolin are the example of absorption base. And water removable base are the it is the emulsion between the oil in water. It can be diluted in water or aqueous solution, and for the example, hydrophilic ointment is prepared by water removable base. And the last one is the water soluble base. These are the do not contain any kind of oleaginous components, and the example for the polyethyl glycol ointment are prepared on the water soluble base. As you know, this YouTube channel is committed to the homeopathy, and we are discussing here about the homeopathic preparation always. So today we also discuss about the preparation of homeopathy, how to prepare ointment in homeopathy. There are two methods to prepare homeopathic ointments: the incorporate method and the fusion method. And incorporation methods, the components are mixed until an uniform preparation is attained, and the infusion method, the components are liquefying or melting by application of heat. So there are basic difference between the incorporation and fusion. Later on we will discuss how to prepare the incorporation method and how to prepare ointment in fusion method. In previous slide we already discussed about the methods to prepare the homeopathic ointments. The first one is the incorporation method, and when we are going to prepare the ointment in incorporation method, the 1 part by weight or volume of the required medicines is taken, and with 9 parts of weight or volume of soft paraffin, and we on the ointment slab and mixed with the spatula until uniform color is obtained. And you can also prepare this kind of ointments in laboratory. Second, fusion method. Fusion method is to prepare the ointment for the commercial purpose. In this method, the soft white paraffin is melted on the water bath and the required mother tincture slowly added. The mixture is properly stirred to make it homogeneous, and then the mixture is cooled and it ready to use. In this slide, we will know about the cream. As said, the ointment and cream are very similar, and only the difference between the cream and ointments are the base difference, and we are using different kind of base in cream, and we are using different kind of base in ointment. To prepare the ointment, the base of the ointment, the oleaginous base and the absorption base are very easily available in market, so there is no need to prepare yourself. To prepare the cream, two kinds of solution we use as a base, the water in oil and oil in water base. So when we are going to prepare the hydrophilic ointment, so water in oil base mostly we are using to prepare the cream, and when we are going to prepare the cold kind of cream, cold cream, so oil in water solution will be used to prepare the cream. So this kind of solutions is already prepared in market and already easily available in market, but when you want to prepare yourself, so you can also prepare. For hydrophilic ointment, actually it is water in oil base, and to prepare the hydrophilic ointment, white petroleum 25%, alcohol 25%, propylene glycol 12%, sodium lauryl sulfate 1%, and purified water 37% is to be taken, and according to the percentage of the these substances we can prepare the hydrophilic ointment. And when to prepare the cold cream, white wax 12%, cetyl ester wax 12.5%, mineral oil 56%, sodium borate 0.5%, and purified water 19%. So these are the ingredients of the cold cream, and from these ingredients you can prepare the cold cream. Ointments are used as dressing for wounds, ulcer and burn, and for emollients, protectives or other surface effects. And it is also used as an antipruritic, anti-astringents, emollients, analgesic, rubrifications and counter irritants. So these are the uses of the ointment and creams. And when we discuss about the instructions, so the basic instructions is for external use only, you must be pasted on the file of the ointment or cream. So it is must be evaluate your preparation by rate of absorptions, non-irritants and rate of penetrations also. So these are the instructions to prepare the ointment and cream. Thank you very much. If our video is informative and beneficial for the homeopaths or homeopathic preparation, so please subscribe, comments and like our video, please. Thank you.